y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nene, back. We'll be doing a get ready with me with your girl, featuring Klaiyi's hair, Brazilian curly hair, and the inches. Let me see, I think this is like the 22. I think this is the 22. But y'all, once I'm done, you know, beating this face and stuff like that, I'm gonna talk about this hair once I have it in. But I'm gonna let y'all know about Klaiyi's hair, so stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna just let this video ride. Y'all, I just want to say, I forgot to put primer, but it ain't too late, girl. It ain't never too late. Yeah, I like it. Girl. Okay, sis. I see you. You see why I don't be trying to do my brows on camera? Cause it just I gotta make sure the brows is looking perfect. So, I mean, they are kind of thick. I don't know. I don't really like thick brows, but I like, these are cute. These are alright. These cute. But I gotta get my brows done cause my eyebrows is growing. But yeah, I'm gone. I'm this time. I'll see y'all. Okay, now we are back with Klaiyi's hair. Alright, so this is how it looks when it comes in a box. And it's 100% virgin human hair. And y'all, I got this hair like 4 months ago. Got this hair 4 months ago on my birthday in July. And I'm trying to figure out what I got. I got a 26, 2 24s, and a 22, and I got a 20-inch closure. Not all of it fit, so that's why I got this piece. But this is not like the, I don't think this is a 26. This is not the 26, this is like the 22. Because at first I had the curly hair sewed it down on my head and for my birthday, and then after that I took it down and I made it into a wig. I'm gonna show you as soon as I'm done putting this ponytail on my head. So y'all see my hair? I had to slick it down real quick. Let me adjust the camera. Let me adjust the camera real quick. So here's my ponytail, and then my hair is slicked down. I'm gonna fix my I know you're looking at this. This is looking real crazy. Okay, everything wants to fall now. So I'm gonna just go back and like take that foundation brush I had and just put some like right here just to blend it out, and you know. So now I'm gonna do the Ivy method. I don't know if you guys subscribe to Ivy on Instagram. I mean, not Instagram, but YouTube. And she basically, like, I saw her like, no, I'm wrong. It's not. I don't know. I don't know if it's her, but I've seen somebody do this, and I feel like it's her. But basically, you want to start from the bottom of your braid, and then like you want to just go around and pin it up and go around and around and around. So I can't talk and do this at the same time. So I'm just gonna like, you're just gonna hear the music. So I got these $1 bobby pins from the dollar store, and girl, they good. This is not the first time I did this, y'all. I did this before and it was cute or whatever. So what I like to do is I like to start from like at least like right here, and then I just go around. I go around, and then I'm gonna pin that up right now. So I'm gonna shut up and y'all just watch the video. Okay, so here's the ponytail. Here's how it looks. It's like a low ponytail. Y'all, I'm in a rush. I have to leave. I have to get to the school because I gotta do. But yeah, I'm really late. So this is Klaiyi's hair. I had this hair for 4 months. It's really good hair. I really love it. It's low maintenance. It does kind of snag a bit, but it's like you can run your hands through it and then the snag will like go away. All you need to do is like, I guess for 2 times a week, I would say like spray it with some water and, you know, make it have that little jerry curl. Like I use my curls to go. But overall, I do love this hair and I do recommend it. And I'm actually going to buy their straight Brazilian hair because I've been doing my research and I've been seeing good reviews about it. And so I'm gonna buy that hair for my graduation, and I want it to be kind of long, so I will do a review on that too. But yep, I love this hair. I always like make little ponytails out of it, and it's really like some good hair, like for real. Thank you for watching my video and getting ready with me. I will see y'all in the next video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.